Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, February 10th, and this is my market recap of gold on the 1 hour time frame. If you haven't done so already, definitely join my free Discord trading community. The link for that is at the end of this video in the corner and in the description of this video. If you'd like to join my membership program, the link for that is fxpipcollector.com. You get access to all the benefits listed below and more for only $30 per month. So gold made another really strong push up today. I was talking about how now we broke those key levels that I was talking about for wave B. It pretty much confirmed to me that it is not a wave B. So now my next real key level would honestly be the 260 1.8% Fibonacci extension, which is all the way up right side of the $3,000 area. So my higher time frame forecast is now the 261.8, right below the $3,000 per ounce. So I doesn't mean that there potentially couldn't be some moves to the downside, but if there is a break to the downside on the 1 hour time frame, I would look at every single move I see to the downside as nothing more than a possible correction to the uptrend. So I definitely would try to focus on going long. I would look at these Fibonacci areas of resistance, but I would definitely focus on going longs because every single one of these pullbacks for the last several weeks has been nothing more than a correction to the uptrend, and I would expect that to continue probably up to the wave 3 projection at the 261.8 Fibonacci extension. So anyways, don't forget to join my free trading community on Discord. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.